Hello, this is Loretta from Promise International Digital Project Management Company, and you are most welcome to the series of Promise training videos. This is the third training video, in which we will talk about using the time schedule from Promise's main menu. From the time schedule menu, the customer will be able to do the following. Insert time schedule. Here, the customer will be able to insert the time schedule by uploading a time schedule Excel file. Please note that it is necessary to follow Promise's time schedule Excel file format very strictly to ensure the success of proper file uploading. From View Time Schedule, the customer will be able to see the time schedule for all entered items. Now, let us show you an example on how to properly upload a time schedule file for the Engineering College building of Promise University project. Firstly, we need to download Promise's preset Excel file format allocated for the time schedule. In order to do this, go to the BOQ menu, select Contractual BOQ, then click on the icon found next to Delete All Items at the top right corner of the screen, where Promise's time schedule Excel file format will be downloaded. Then the required data will be copied from the Planning Department time schedule file to Promise's Excel file format accordingly. Please note that once the relevant data has been entered, and when proceeding to save your file, it should be saved as an Excel 97-2003 workbook file. Before starting the uploading process, we want to make sure that we upload the time schedule file to the correct building. To do this, go to the Projects menu, and from Select Project, choose Promise University. Then select Engineering College from the building drop list. Now you may go to the Time Schedule menu, then select Insert Time Schedule, choose your file, and click Upload. Here we can see that the time schedule has been successfully entered to the Engineering College building. The video is now complete. The next video subject will be about variation orders. Thank you for being with us in this series of Promise training videos. Promise, project management made easy.